Hey guys, I'm Deepthi Desikan and today's video is gonna be an affordable clothing haul, all less than 1,000 rupees, casual clothes from Amazon. So they're having their end of season sale that's started on 23rd of December. So you can find most of the products like on 50 to 80% discount. That is a great discount deal. So if you have Prime membership like I do, most of these products would reach you in a day or two. Like they have really fast shipping and efficient shipping. So all the clothing items that I'm going to be showing you guys in today's video reached my doorstep within like 2 days. So that's really fast and I like that. So yeah, delivery was easy, hassle free. You can check out the other range of products you would want to, but in today's video we're going to be talking about some clothing items that I always check on Amazon because you can find it on much better discount deals. So yeah, some of these products I was eyeing on for a while now, and you have seen in my previous videos as well. And if I'm wearing any dress or anything from Max or India or anywhere, it would usually be from Amazon. So anyways, without much talking, let's get into the video. The first one I'm going to be talking to you guys about is this one. This is a set that was sold separately. So this one is the this one is a global Desi top, and this is a peplum top. Okay, so it is really sort of like a nice fit. It is not too tight, but it's not too loose as well, and it's a nice comfortable material, but it's not something that is very flimsy that will make you feel really cold at this time. So it has this kind of like a print towards the bottom, and it has a flare because of course it has that. It's a peplum kind of a top, and the sleeves are 3/4 sleeves, but I like to like roll it up like this and wear it, and it's really comfortable. I picked this one up in the size extra small because that is my size, and only if the extra small is not available I try out small. So I picked up the trousers from the same brand, Global Desi itself, and you can see they're coordinated, like the prints are coordinated. I love to wear cord sets because I feel like they go very well, and you don't have to think much as to what goes with a certain pant or a certain top. So this one has sort of like an elastic right here and a zip fastening over here. So make sure you do pick up your right size in case you have like issues with trousers being a little bit too tight near the waist area. Just keep that in mind. This is a perfect fit for me, and it just is so comfortable. It has pockets and it goes all the way up to my ankle. I really like it. So I'm a 5'7", so it was an amazing length for me. I find this to be extremely comfortable, and I can wear this like on a regular basis. I love comfortable casual clothes. I'm a casual clothing person. Next up, we also have another set from Global Desi itself. So this one is a kurta and a palazzo pant set. So this is a viscose material, and this is again really comfortable, very soft, and the palazzo is not something that is really long. So this one reaches like way above my ankle. It's sort of like that 3/4 length, and it is very nice. So it is a little bit transparent, so that's the reason I think they have given us a kurta that is quite long, so it actually covers most of the length of the pant. So this is a sleeveless kurta with a collar neck and button detailing all over, so you can actually unbutton this and wear it like a jacket itself. And this entire set was for around 840 rupees or 700 rupees. I'm not very sure. I will leave the order page right here so that you can see what this was priced at. So I really like how this was looking. And this comes with this belt that you can wear and tighten it up, but I feel like it was such a mismatch, so I removed this, and I don't think I will be using this one and wearing it. You can if you want to. It comes with the clothing set, but I prefer it without that, and I feel like it was much more like nice and put together. It was flowing really well. I really like the print. I really like the color combination. So it just looks so nice and plush. So when you wear this, it just looks really nice and smart, like smart looking outfit. And by the way, the kurta has pockets on both the sides, so it's not like a one-sided pocket. It has pockets on both the sides, so that's the reason I mentioned you can actually unbutton this and wear it like a jacket. And next up, we have something from one of my favorite brands, that is Indya, and this is the dress. Okay, it's a long dress, a maxi dress, which I am all in for midi and maxi dresses. I'm not someone who wears a lot of short dresses. I'm not quite comfortable with them. The material is really comfortable. So I have a couple of different colors from the same pattern, and I've been buying all the colors that I can because I love how this looks. It's so chic. It's so put together. It makes you look really nice and elegant. Okay, so you can wear this with your hair down or with a high pony like how I have it right now, and it looks so good. So in this particular brand, like the different styles that I wanted to try out, I couldn't find the size extra small except for in this pattern. So in this color and this pattern, I got it in the size extra small. And so you can tighten up the straps in case you feel like it's a little bit loose and it's sulking a little bit. And also you can tighten it up right here, which is one of my favorite kind of patterns. If you have observed my previous haul videos as well, something that goes tight and then flares a little bit loose is my favorite kind of style to wear. It just goes well with my body type. So yeah, so this stripe all over looks really nice. The tassels, again, so well put together, and the length of this is perfect for me. Next up we have this one from Aurelia, and this is, again, I think if you watched my previous video you would remember this outfit because I have the same thing in blue as well. This has sort of like a deep V-neck, and I really like this color because you can pair up a similar kind of lipstick if you have, and it would just look so good because this kind of deep pink with yellow just looks really nice. And if you pair it up with a bright pink lipstick, it just instantly brightens the whole look and makes it put together. And of course you can team it up with like similar kind of earrings as well. I had something like that, yeah, like this, but I haven't worn that in the video, but maybe something like this, just a reference. And I like the sleeve, and this is something you can fasten at the back, so it makes it look like it's fitting you really well, like a glove. So something that of course I like too much that I bought similar pattern in a different color as well. So next one we're going to be talking about is this dress. This is from Rangrithi, and I love this color. It's not like too bright where it's neon, but it's not too subtle as well, and it has a nice like work done right here. It has something that you can fasten with if you feel like the neck is a little bit too low. 3/4 sleeves. The sleeves are a little bit loose for me, but I like it that way because during the summer months or when I want to travel, I want my clothes to not hug my body too tight, and I want it to be a little bit loose. Yeah, basically that's the point. It's a nice flowy dress, and it comes all the way up to like I think a little bit below my ankle as well. So it's kind of like a longer dress. This is in the size 32. It is a little bit loose for me, I'm not going to deny that, but I don't think I will do any sort of alteration for this because I like it that way. And if you feel like it's a little bit too transparent, they have given a petticoat as well, which is again matching to this, and it's a cotton material. It's very comfortable though, and I can also use this for other outfits like pink outfits, which I feel like are a little bit transparent. It's a very nice comfortable outfit, very nice and breezy. So I kept in mind, like even the summer months when I shopped, these particular outfits, something that I can wear throughout the year, something that I can be comfortable with, not just for a certain season. So anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I see you guys in my next one. Bye.
It's December again, I can't believe